Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Phantom Assassin's Arcana in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open Dota 2, and then go to Armory, and under Filter Hero List, search for Phantom Assassin, like so. And search for the set that says Arcana on the top. Here it is. The Arcana is called Manifold Paradox. As you can see, I already own this Arcana, but if you don't, there will be a green option right over here stating the price of the Arcana. If you want to buy the Arcana, just click on the green button which will be shown over here if you don't own it already, and follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!